space, why don't you give them room? See what I mean? That's what's gonna happen. They're gonna go across you like that. Because you're being reckless. Does that make sense? You're not giving them space. But that driver's not. She's not giving room. And then they're gonna have an argument. Okay, guys. Like he's blaming this guy. It's the other car that's the problem, not the van. See what I mean? It's not the van. Okay. Come back 50 seconds, 50 seconds. It was the Volvo that was encroaching, isn't it? Mm. Look at how wrong somebody can be. So loud noise. Look at that.
Because there were questions asked, but he's done remarkably well, hasn't he?
He's just so laid back. I've seen him a couple of times when I've been working on the darts in the Premier League, and I just say, oh yeah, okay, you talks about football. I mean, he's 17. He's got so many years ahead of him, you know, to win major trophies. He's unbelievable. I think he's like a Michael Van Gogh and Phil Taylor combined.
It's a red. 5 days.